Hi everyone. So what you see here is a chart. It's called Circle Time Center chart or Circle Time Center. So I just unboxed it. I wasn't able to take a video during the unboxing, but I just put the chart here. We don't have much room, so I just put it here by the window. And as you can see, I already put the what's the weather thing. What's the weather thing? So it's Velcro. So you can see, you can take it off and you just put it on. And if you teach your child the weather, which you're going to teach her every day, you just spin it. If it's sunny like today, you just put this sunny part on this arrow here. And then cloudy, you just spin it, whatever the weather is for the day. Windy, rainy, snowy, foggy, and back to sunny. And then we have here, let's count. Lois already put this violet colors, 5 circles.
Hi.
That's how she that's what she counted this morning. The 5 circles. There are 2, 4, 6. I think 6 colors. I'll show that to you in a little bit. There's 5, and then you can put the number here. I just put it on, so it's not done yet. I did not put everything yet. There is a today is, and then you put the days here. Days of the week. What's the letter that you're going to learn that day or that week? It depends upon how old is your child. And then rhyme time, the color, the shape. So that's the Circle Time Center. I will show you the other stuff that comes with it. Okay, so these are the counters. That's what I have said. There are 6 colors. There's red, orange, green, blue, yellow, and violet, which we already put there. And then there are letters here. All you have to do is, there's a perforated line, or how do you call this? And you just take them off. I won't put this yet because I am going to laminate them. Because I want this last long. Because if you won't laminate it, it will rip. It could rip off. Just like, where is the one that I almost ripped off? Well, Lois almost did. Because she was trying to help. And there. There, see? Easy. There's rainbow, taxi, watermelon, volleyball table, question, queen, salad, volcano, plain shoes, uniform, umbrella, rose, and pizza. Yes, ma'am, there's volcano. Your kids, your child will really love this. Your students will also. So we are homeschooling right now. We are transforming our converting our room into a classroom, in our house into a classroom. Hold on, sweetheart, be careful, baby. It's so flimsy for now. It's so flimsy, so we have to, not so flimsy. It's okay if you don't want to laminate it, but I would prefer to laminate it. And then we have here, I think that's word a day or something. And then we have here the months of the year. There you go. It's beautiful.
There's candies.
There's candies. I think that's balloons,
candies.
Baby.
There's
There's candies. Yeah, there's candies on February. January, there's mittens and beanies. What are these?
These are umbrellas.
Umbrellas. Very good.
What's it?
Well, looks like, I don't know. May. What's on May? Yeah, and then we have July, September, November. They have the leaves, gifts on December, acorns on October. Look, and these are the numbers. Yeah, these are the numbers. And then these are more letters. They are simple letters, so it's easy for the child to learn the letters. She knows her letters already. We just have to review them. Do some reviews. And then these are the outfit for the weather. And there's yellow star colors for the colors. Here. We have here 20, 24, 25, 26, and 27. I should order 25 to... Well, when I put this in my list, when I bought this from Amazon, my friends. So, when I put this in the list, I put it... Well, it's been a while I put this, so I should have updated it. So, oh well, we can still use 2024 because we're still November right now. From the time of the taking of this video. So these are days of the week. And then there's more colors. More colors there. She knows her colors, but we just have to do some reviews. And then more words to learn with pictures. The pictures are very, very clear. And there's more numbers, more letters. This is very nice. I would recommend if you are teaching your child at home, your children at home, I'd recommend this. Get this, my friends. There are. See, I like this simple A. I don't like the A that goes like this. So I like the simple A.
Mommy, I need a shovel.
You need a shovel? I need a shovel, please.
I need a shovel, please.
Okay, we're gonna get your shovel. We have more here. I'm going to laminate this and I'll show you the finished product. Okay? So zebra, duck, yo-yo, pen, truck, box. Alright, there are one. There's a lot. Okay, I'll put the link maybe if you want to buy this for your child. Just make sure that you choose, since it's already November, you choose 2025 till 2028. You just have to choose the one that is updated chart. So we are done taking him off. There's the shapes and everything there. And then we are going to laminate this now. Alright, dear friends, so we are done laminating the cards for our Circle Time Center. So today is November. Look, I laminated them. Today is November 11th, 2024. And it's kind of cloudy today. Cloudy. We are early morning here. So my learner changed this into cloudy. I introduced her all this weather here. And then it's kind of cold. So when we go out, we will wear long sleeves, pants, beanies, and shoes. And then here's our days of the week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we sing. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that's what our song this morning. And since today is Monday, we put the star here. There's actually another jacket here, another sleeve. So you can move this. So today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So then you can move it tomorrow to Wednesday, today, Tuesday, like that. So, yep, it's movable. That's how neat this Circle Time Center chart is. And then we are learning letter G. G is for giraffe and glove. In the back of these cards that starts with letter G, I put cards that ends with letter G. Like for example, this one, dog, G, the sound of letter G. And then bag, sound of letter G in the end. Tag, letter G in the end. And frog, G in the end. But I always put the words that starts with letter G in front. Then introduce the ones that ends with letter G later on. And then rhyme time. She knows few sounds. She knows the pictures. And she knew that it rhymes. Fan, and pen. She did not say rhyme. I introduced her rhyme. She said they sound the same. And then the color and the shape, and then the numbers, which we have here 5, and the figure number 5. Then we have a lot of extras, or the other numbers that we don't use. It's here in this very big shelf or jacket here, big sleeve rather. And then there's letters and rhymes. You can put the letters, big letters, and then the rhymes and words. And colors and shapes. There you go. And the counters for counting. These ones, the numbers for this sleeve. And I also added this one. This was for our lesson. This is not included in the package. But I just added this because it's it's autumn. Yeah, that's why I added leaves here. That's it. So we also have this one is not included, but this is our daily routine. See, flag racing, circle time, morning work, morning job, play centers, arts and crafts, and then clean up time. This small sleeve here is very, very useful. See that? Because you will know what's next, and the child will know what's next. She might not be able to read this. She may not be able to read this, but she can see the picture here. See, flag racing, circle time, and then morning work, morning job, okay, during snack time, and then play or centers. You can change to morning job here and play center here, arts and crafts, or however you want. It depends upon the need of your learner. And then clean up time. It's very important. Part of the day is clean up time. Otherwise, it's gonna be very, very messy. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless you all.